Remember your parents telling you that snacking in between meals was not good for you? Part of your goals to get healthier may include stopping your snacking habit. The good news is that your folks were partially correct. While gorging on junk food can be detrimental to your body, there are many healthy snacks to consider. Some of them may even help you lose weight. Try some of these tasty treats. 1. Nuts. Members of the nut family, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, etc., are classic snacks. You cannot include peanuts because they are legumes. While they do have a high fat content and should be enjoyed in moderation, nuts provide beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. They are also packed with protein and other vitamins and minerals. They have a lot of fiber, which makes your stomach feel full. A small handful of nuts will boost your energy between meals. 2. Popcorn. What would a movie be without a delicious bag of hot popcorn? Popcorn itself is a healthy snack, however, it is the usual toppings that are not. You may enjoy 3 cups of air-popped popcorn for approximately 100 calories. Instead of all the salt and fat-laden butter, top your popped treat with some savory herbs or spices. Even the crunch of popcorn encourages satisfaction in your stomach. 3. Berries. While fruit can supply some necessary sugars to your body, they are all not created equal. The sugar in fruit is still sugar, and too much can cause your blood sugar levels to spike and affect your insulin. You can still eat your favorite fruit in moderation. Instead, opt for berries. The natural sugars in berries react differently in your body than other fruits. For a yummy snack, top some low-fat yogurt with a bunch of your favorite berries. 4. Oatmeal. This venerable grain is not just for breakfast anymore. Oatmeal has a lot of healthy fiber and minerals that will boost your energy. Steer clear of the sugary pre-packaged brands. Buy convenient packs of plain oatmeal and dress it up with a few berries or a little honey. Try some recipes for refrigerator oatmeal so you can grab your snack and go whenever you want. 5. Cheese. Cheese is the ultimate comfort food. Forget the processed kind in the plastic wrap or from the spray can. Snacking on small portions of cheese can give you the protein and calcium that your bones need. There are so many varieties of cheeses, you will never get bored at snack time. Snacking can be healthy if you choose the right foods in moderate portions. Having a little snack between meals can prevent energy slumps during the day and discourage you from overeating during meals. Help your body out and grab a snack.